I have some of these classic hoodie flares from Huda Beauty, the number 25. And I decided to do a first impression on camera with you guys because I haven't used it before and I already have a full makeup look, so I decided let's just hop into doing not really a tutorial, more of a first impressions on these lashes. There are three types of lashes in this package. There are your individuals, there's the natural chunks, and then the dramatic flares. Now, usually when I do a colorful eyeshadow look like this, I like to put some dramatic on the outside, but a little more neutral on the inside so that you can still see the color coming through the lashes. I'm just adding a little bit of lash glue there to the end of the lash and then just giving it a few seconds to dry before I add it on the eyelash. I don't think there's really a fixed amount of time that you should keep your eyelashes to dry before you place them. Normally it's about 30 seconds to a minute. The idea is just to get the glue to become a bit more tacky so that it grips better instead of slipping off of your eyelash. What I like about this eyelash glue is it starts off as a white base with kind of a bluish tint and it turns into a clear color. So as soon as it goes clear, it's tacky enough to grip to the eyelash. So I basically just wait until the glue is clear. I try to apply them from the top, so I try to look down and then just place them against the lid on the lash line where I want the lash, and then I just kind of press it against it with my fingers. What I like about the small clustery lashes like these is the fact that when you apply them, you can shape the eyelash look according to what you want. So you don't have to go with a fixed eyelash look that somebody else designed for you. You can kind of just design the shape of your lash however you want your lash to look, and I really like that. I'm just adding another one of those flares. Okay, so it's 2 dramatic flares and 2 dramatic flares, and then next to it I am adding the natural chunks. I think I'm gonna need at least 2 of those natural chunks. I like how it then starts going from less to more, gives it that feminine cat eye look. And then I'm going to apply some of these individuals on the inner side. They're not really individual lashes, they're just smaller clusters. And I'm just going to place some of them until I'm happy with the look. I feel like they are a bit longer than the natural chunks, so I don't want to place them on the inner corner. I think I'm just going to add another natural chunk. I like the chunks, they're a bit easier to apply than a whole bunch of individual ones, but the individual ones do give a bit of a varied length. So I feel like each of these lashes have their place in your eyeshadow look. Try again. So I was too hasty with the glue. And I'm just pressing them all up against my natural lashes. Okay, so there we have it. I have 2 dramatic flares on the end, 3 natural chunks, and then just 2 individual splitter parts. What I like about these smaller lash strips is the fact that they do tend to look a bit more natural than the solid lash line on the eyelash. And again, the fact that you can shape it the way you want to. And I like the fact that this pack comes with a variety from more natural lashes to the drama lashes. And I think there's not really a lot in a pack like this. It's maybe enough for, depending on the type of look you want, to do one look with it. However, the lashes should be reusable, so you can just, like normal strip lashes, just take them off, clean them up and reuse them again. So yeah, I like the lashes. This is what I have left after this look. I think I probably will buy them again when these are finished. I like the flare that it has on the end. It's not too dramatic for me, but it does give that 3D volume kind of thing. And I think the variety in this pack is good enough for me to reconsider buying it again. And I think it's easy enough to use. I do feel like in comparison with strip lashes, it does take a bit more time to apply. So if you're not a very patient person and you don't want to wait for each lash cluster to dry before you apply them to the eyes, then maybe strip lashes is something that you should rather consider. However, I do love the look that I get from these type of cluster and individual lashes a lot more than I do the look that you get from strip lashes. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you like the video. Would you like to see more eyelash reviews like these, or do you prefer the eyeshadow looks? And then I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!